Hey guys, it's still so smoky in Melbourne today, and yeah, I did vlog. We went to this market earlier, and it's somewhere there in Montana, and it's like the big watermelon. Got some stuffs, got some mangoes. Let me just show you. Yeah, got some. This one here, it's watermelon, and oh shit, it's heavy. Also got 3 mangoes because I love mangoes, and some. Oh, we have this one also. Yeah, green mango. So hopefully we're gonna have a lot to eat. So it's been so orange or red everywhere here in Melbourne as of yesterday, and today it's gone worst. Yeah, it's like really red outside. It's really foggy, no, smoky outside. It's really bad. The air has deteriorated. Also, the office today used to be awarded. Yeah, there was a fire alarm. Nobody could believe it. Nobody wants to move or do anything, and it kept on doing the alarm. It persisted going. The alarm was just beeping, so we had to go down. And yeah, I don't know if it was false alarm or somebody from level 6 just burned something. So there were 2 fire trucks. Fire trucks would cost a lot, so like I don't know how much they paid for it, but yeah, we had to go down the stairs from the 8th floor. When I arrived downstairs, like shit, everything's okay. So we went back up. What a day. Anyway, I'm still gonna finish some editing today and some stuffs. Yeah, the it's really warm today. It's gonna be warm tomorrow also. But yeah, summer is nearly ending, and the problem is there's a lot of bushfires. I can't go anywhere. I can't go and enjoy the beach. But yeah, because you have to be careful where you go, because everywhere there's bushfires. There's roadblocks or like closed roads, and there's like the air's like smoky and it's very bad. The quality is very bad. But yeah, I'm just so sad because summer is nearly ending, and I haven't gone to the beach or went on a trip. I'll see how it goes. So like, yeah, January is nearly ending, but we'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna go back and do what I need to do. Also, I had a haircut last December, and yeah, I thought it was cool. I made it short the way I can spike it up, but I ended up not liking the hair. Should have gone to JM first, the barbering project. So yeah, maybe somewhere end of this month I'm gonna get some fades from him or something. But I really don't like my hair. It's really bad. It's short and pointless. I don't know how to call it, but I don't like my hair. Hey guys. Oh, so yeah, it's been a smoky 2 days lately here in Melbourne. Ah man, the air is like, you can smell the air is like burned something, because this is from the bushfires. And today temperatures go around 35 degrees, which is a bit warm, and then suddenly it's raining. Thing is, it's raining but it's still warm. Drops are so big, like I'm gonna get sick if I'm gonna stay here for a long time under the rain. But yeah, it's a big storm coming. I'm glad it's here for the bushfires, but yeah, it's really scary. Warm, rainy, smoky Melbourne today. Yeah. Okay guys, as you all know, Australia's been battling with the bushfires, and we're having all the smoke everywhere. Like in Melbourne right now, it's really bad. The smoke's really, you can smell the wood, and it's coming near us. So it's a good thing today that it has rained, so it would be able to help out those bushfires out there. That way we could put off all the fires. But last week I bought something, because I bought something for the nose, like a cover, face mask, because the thing is, yeah, the air here is, the air quality is really bad. It's really getting bad. It's going around 460 today, and as of yesterday, you can look in the city. It looks like fog, but it's not really fog. It's really the smoke from the bushfires. But I got this one here. So it's purely, I already opened it. It sits for the mouth. So I got it from eBay. Here's what's inside, and let's see. Here it is. Kind of dark in here, but Here it is. So it's like a face mask with an electric pump here, and it has filter. Has a filter around here, so it can filter the air that's coming in. So it has a pump, that way you can pull air in, that way you can breathe easily. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try tomorrow. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna test it. I'll see how it goes, but yeah. How cool it is. Is it? It is. Is it? Is it? Anyway, also I got this from eBay. It looked cool because it's like Deadpool and Spider-Man, but the thing is, when it arrived, the printout is crap. The cloth is so smooth or soft, but the printout's like shit. So yeah, eBay, just like Lazada. Okay, gotta go. Bye. Okay, I was just wrapping up. I tried to listen to the recording. I apologize for that bird. Bird was so noisy. I don't know what's wrong with him, what's wrong with his life, but yeah. Got too lazy to retake or redo the video, but yeah, that bird is really noisy. He does that all the time. And also, this one here, it's not a pump. It's a fan. You can see? It's a fan. It pulls out the air in and has a filter out here, so prevents the whatever is in the air from coming in. But yeah, it's just a pump. Simple as that. It's not no high-tech thing, just a fan. Yeah.